Wait!
Dance, Nick!
Play.
Wait, not yet!
Play.
Hold it. Hold it.
Go.
Got you. Hold it.
I couldn't hold it. You took
Dance like you never danced before. Go. And go. There you go. Take it. Now, show Chris what you got. Go.
Nick, look out.
Okay, best pickup line ever, Nick. Do it. Do it, Nick. Best pickup line ever.
My name's Nick.
No way.
That's really man.
Oh yeah. Take it. Front side. Oh yeah.
Fuck, dude.
I'm so glad we're leaving tomorrow!
The bathroom over there.
In front of Chris.
Nick, there's a bathroom over there.
Pick up line for you.
Oh my god, there's so many people.
Chris, or I mean, nobody's joining. Next week, I want you to become the top. So go.
That's asking too much.
Okay, fine. Dance like you never danced before.
Okay, no more of that.
I want one. Oh, okay, you get Trisha one. Trisha one.
Come on now. You know better.
I just kid that.
Give Mark one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god! Nick, you're such a dick!
Oh, crap. Come back around.
Oh man.
And turned it.
Oh my god!
Nick, go get him. Nick, go get him. Nick, go scare him.
Nick, no! Let them eat first!
Eat. Fingers on the house. Kiss on the ground. Oh, yo! I got you, Chris. I got your ball, Nick. Got you with my ball, guys. Don't worry.
Oh, that one's got dots! Oh,
Look, you do that for.
pooped on me!
Maybe you should get treated.
Don't scream.
Pooped on me! And now it's on your pants!
Oh.
Oh god!
No, what? No swimming.
Probably a good idea.
I felt something jump on me and I felt something warm and I was scared. I can finally say I got pooped on by a seagull. Go away, go away.
Out of here. Just kidding. Chris, do your deal.
Don't do it! No!
Look at my wood.
Let's go swimming again.
That's my wood.
Let's go swimming again.
Ew, no.
You took my wood.
Oh my god.